I'm going to show you how to make these fake gummy bear ornaments. Okay, so you're going to need styrofoam bears, and I do sell these in my shop. I think I've seen some more on Etsy. They're not very common though. So these are about 2.5 inches tall. And then I use acrylic paints. The Craft Smart paints are all from Michaels. This is called Desert Sky. It's the blue. This is called Butter. This is Rosemary. I mix it with white to make the pink. This is Rich Lilac, but it does dry darker, and so I do mix it with white. I mix these two colors to make my orange peachy color. And then to make my minty color, I mix this with white. This is from Walmart. Now the main glitter that I'm using is from Hobby Lobby. It's called Party Blend Pink Icing, but they don't have every single color. So what I do is I take, this is from Michaels. It's translucent glitter. It's called Glitz. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. And it's a chunky and fine and like medium glitter mix. You can see. And you can mix it with any color and you'll end up, I just basically like, you can mix it with any color and make a kind of custom blend. So I just mixed some green in this, like I mixed this green from Michaels and this, and with the chunky glitter mix and with some white, and that's what it turned out to be like. And then like, this is the yellow. I just mixed in some yellow fine glitter. And I just mixed in some blue fine glitter. So I did that for every color. And now I'm just gonna take some Mod Podge and I'm gonna go over the whole bear with it. And the Mod Podge will help fill in any of these imperfections that you find on styrofoam. Once the glitter dries, you want to go ahead and seal them with Mod Podge so that the glitter stays on them. Okay, so once the bears are all sealed again and dried, what you're going to do is you're going to take a little eye screw or eye hook. You can get these on Amazon, and I painted it white. You don't have to. But all you're gonna do is go to the top. This bear has a little notch on it, as you see, and then you're just gonna poke it in there. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is grab some ornament hooks and then just thread them through. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like pastel fake candies like I do, then be sure to subscribe. I appreciate every subscriber. As a small creator, it means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. You can also find me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Just look at the top of my YouTube channel for those links.